Hey there, welcome back. Imagine walking into a coffee shop that feels as inviting as your favorite local cafe. Warm lighting, stylish decor, and a layout that makes every corner feel purposeful. But when it comes to designing that perfect space, the process can be overwhelming. Meet Maya. She had always dreamed of owning a cozy modern cafe where people could work, unwind, and enjoy their coffee in the perfect ambience. But turning that dream into reality? That's where things got tricky. She had a vision but struggled to bring it to life. How would the seating flow? Where should the counter go for smooth service? And how could she make the space feel unique yet functional? That's when she teamed up with her designer, Jennifer, who introduced her to Foyr Neo, the ultimate interior design tool that takes the guesswork out of cafe planning. With Neo, Jennifer could map out every inch of the space in minutes, adjusting layouts with just a few clicks. Maya could instantly see how different table arrangements affected foot traffic or how lighting choices set the perfect cozy mood. What made Neo a game changer? The 3D visualization let Maya walk through her cafe before a single piece of furniture was bought, ensuring the space felt exactly how she imagined. Neo's massive furniture and materials library helped her choose the perfect chairs, countertops, and even coffee bar setups, all in real time. No second guessing, no back and forth with suppliers. Just seamless, stress-free designing. As Maya began selecting furniture and decor, she wanted to be sure that every element fit together perfectly. That's when Jennifer used Neo's elevation view to generate detailed side perspectives of the space, helping Maya see how shelving, lighting, and her custom coffee counter would look from every angle. This was a game changer. It meant no more second-guessing heights, alignments, or spacing issues. And when Maya wanted to experiment with different design themes, industrial chic, boho, or minimalist, Jennifer used Neo's AI-powered product search to quickly swap styles, colors, and layouts, giving Maya the confidence to make decisions she'd love. But the most exciting part? Seeing the cafe come to life in realistic 3D. Maya was able to walk through the space virtually before making a single purchase, thanks to Neo's 360 degrees walkthrough. She tested different furniture, colors, and lighting setups, experiencing how the space would feel at different times of the day. Fast forward to today, and Maya's cafe is a local favorite. Customers love the atmosphere. And Maya? She's got the perfect blend of design and functionality. All thanks to smart planning with Foyr Neo. In the end, what could have been a long, stressful design process turned into an exciting, effortless journey. Thanks to Foyr Neo, Maya didn't just get a coffee shop. She got the exact cafe she had always imagined. And Jennifer? She delivered a flawless design with zero guesswork. Want to bring your own design vision to life without the stress? Try Foyr Neo free for 14 days and see how easy it is to design the perfect space.